Betelgeuse is a well-known red supergiant star that is set to go supernova sometime in the next 100,000 years. When Betelgeuse lost more than two-thirds of its brightness in late 2019 and early 2020, astronomers were puzzled. Now, in a new paper published in Nature, an international team of astronomers reveals two never-before-seen images of the mysterious darkening, as well as providing an explanation. According to the astronomers, this abrupt dimming was caused by the formation of stardust. Betelgeuse's surface regularly changes as giant bubbles of gas move, shrink, and swell within the star. The team concludes that sometime before the Great Dimming, the star ejected a large gas bubble. When a patch of the surface cooled down shortly after, that temperature decrease was enough for the heavier elements in the gas to condense into solid dust. It was estimated that the ejected material moved at about 300,000 km per hour, before cooling and condensing into a dust cloud once it was millions of kilometers from the star.